Welcome back yet again to Camper Cooking. Today we're going to do a little dish we call Bacon Barbecue Smothered Chicken. So we're going to start by sauteing some onions and bell peppers on the griddle. Alright, so I've already preheated the griddle to about 350, and the first thing I want to do is saute my peppers and onions. So I've got about a half of a large onion here and one whole bell pepper. Just some vegetable oil on the grill to get started. I'm just going to saute these till they're a little bit browned. Okay, the onions are nice and clear, so they're sauteed like the way I like them, and there's a little bit of browning on the peppers, so I'm going to take those off the griddle. Just let those rest for a little while. Alright, the next step is to start cooking the chicken. So I'm staying at 350. I'm going to re-oil the grill. Today I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. They are really thinly sliced. You can buy this thinly sliced like this, or you can buy larger whole breasts and slice them yourself. We're going to cook this, turn it about every 3 minutes, turn it over and until they're done, and then we'll add the remaining ingredients. Alright, we've had the chicken on for approximately 12 minutes, and I've added to the griddle here some bacon that it actually pre-cooked, and I'm just warming it up. I'm using basically 1 slice of bacon for each piece of chicken. I've also got 1 slice of Swiss cheese available for each piece of chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on the chicken so it can start melting. And I'm going to take the bacon pieces and put them right on top of that for each slice. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding the onions and peppers right on top of the bacon. Now we always have leftover peppers and onions, but you know, ain't much better than sauteed peppers and onions on the griddle. So they'll be eaten, no doubt. So really the only other ingredient for this is your favorite barbecue sauce. So what we do, some people like it on the side, some people like it right on top of the chicken, but as soon as that Swiss cheese gets melted, these are ready. So this is our smothered bacon barbecue chicken dish. Again, it's just thin sliced chicken breasts, Swiss cheese, bacon, peppers and onions, and your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever you like, on the griddle. Serve it with whatever side you like. Tonight we're going to have baked potatoes with it. So thanks again for watching Camper Cooking. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good day.